Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral from 2x to the power of 3 to cosine x of 2, 2t to the power of 3 plus t squared minus 7 dt. Now we need to find first the derivative of the function g of x, and then we do the second way, that's about we need to calculate about the integral. Later that we need to do about differentiation. And now I will show you the technique how to answer this one. For the question number 1, we need to find first the derivative of the function g of x. So we have the top and the bottom in here. So we have cosine x. We need to find first the derivative of the function of cosine x. That should be about negative sine x. And we put about 2 cosine x. We put cosine x in t, so we got about 2 cosine x to the power of 3 cosine x squared and negative number 7. Next, this is about the bottom, so we need to have the negative. First, the derivative of 2x to the power of 3, you got about 6x to the power of 2. Later that, we put about 2x to the power of 3 in t. Next, we need to compute the integral. Later that we need to do about differentiation. So in this one, you will get about t to the power of 4 over 2 plus t to the power of 3 over 3, and the last one, that's about negative 70. And we have cosine x and 2x to the power of 3 in here. So we put this one in here, here, here. Later that, we do about first the derivative of the function. If we look carefully, we have the power 4. If we do first the derivative, you got about 4 cosine x to the power of 3, and we have the negative sine x. About this one, there is a number 4. You got about number 4 in here, and 2x to the power of 3 over 3. Later that, you got about 6x to the power of 2. So it means they have similar for this one. And here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.